Bonsoir, mes amis. Good evening, my dear friends. Welcome to Richa Ma'am's class. So, today we are going to study an important topic about the articles. As we know that we have four articles in our vocabulary in French, that is article indefini, article defini, article contracte, et article partitif. But many times it happens that we get confused which article is used when. So I would like to explain each and every article with an example. For example, let's start. Article indefini, it means article indefini when we are talking about a, an, or some. Okay, when we are talking about general things, j'ai un sandwich. I have a sandwich. As sandwich is masculine, that's why we have used the masculine singular article indefini. Vous avez des croissants. You have some croissant. Now, croissant is having the plural, so we have used the des. And for the feminine, it is une. For example, tu as une voiture. You have a car. Okay. Now, a definite article when we are talking about the. So, for the masculine singular, we will use le. For feminine singular, we will use la. For masculine feminine vowel, we will use l apostrophe. And for masculine feminine vowel plural, we will use les. And we know that there are four verbs: prefer, aimer, adore, detester. We will use article defini. Whether it is used in negation or not, article defini will stay with the noun. But article indefini in the negation will convert into de or d apostrophe. But in case of article defini, four verbs are there. You have to give the close watch that which article has been used. Okay. For article prefer, verb aimer, adore, detester, we will use article defini in both affirmative sentences as well as in the negation. For example, je préfère le thé. I prefer the tea. And if in case I need to explain it in the negation, je ne préfère pas le thé. I don't prefer the tea. J'aime la glace. I like ice cream. In the negation, je n'aime pas la glace. Okay, I don't like ice cream. So article contracte when we are talking about the place. Okay, you are going to the some places, or you are coming from, you are talking about, or you have coming from any place. Okay, when we are talking about to the, in the, at the, so we will use au or a la for au for masculine singular, a la for feminine singular, la L apostrophe, it is for vowel, and AU for masculine feminine vowel. But when we are talking about of, from, we will use DU for masculine singular, de la for feminine singular, DEL apostrophe for masculine feminine vowel, DES for masculine feminine plural. For example, je vais au restaurant. I am going to the restaurant. And in case of article contracte also, in the negation, article contracte will not change. For example, je ne vais pas au restaurant. I am not going to the restaurant. Nous avons la menu de restaurant. We are having the menu of the restaurant. In the negation, nous n'avons pas le menu du restaurant. We are not having the menu of the restaurant. Now, restaurant is masculine, so we have used the du masculine singular, right? So, article partitif, it is basically used in front of the food nouns and the drinks. All right. For example, du, de la, del apostrophe, de. and it means some. So now you get confused ki ma'am, we have used sandwich. Okay, here we have used article indefini in front of sandwich and article partitif you are talking about. So we will get confused because they is same. How, you know, so you have to take care that which verb you are using. So basically, in article partitive, prawn, boa, ashiter is used, and when we are talking about general things, then we are talking about I have a sandwich. All right. So je bois du lait, sure, sure. I am drinking some hot water, sorry, hot milk. Okay. So we lad is masculine singular, so I have used du. And as you know that in the negation, article partitive will change into de. So in the negation, je ne bois pas de large shot. Okay. J'achète de la tarte. Tarte is feminine. I am buying some tarte. Je ne, je n'achète pas de tarte. I am not buying some tarte. So these are the things that you need to take care while attempting any article. It is not confusing, but the thing is that you need to uh, keep the rules in your mind. Okay, most probably in grade 7th, article defini and article partitive are going to come in the exam. You need to just have a watch that four verbs are connected with the article defini, prefer, aimer, adore, detester. Article defini will be used. Else, when you are talking about the food, article partitive will be used. Thank you so much for listening. Hope you will learn and get your doubts over. If you still have any question, you can WhatsApp me or you can message me. Thank you so much. Au revoir.